Welcome to the 𝗁cie channel. In this video, you'll learn how to create a WhatsApp Echo bot using the 𝗁cie in n8n. For information on setting up the 𝗁cie and n8n integration, watch the previous video. Once you have your 𝗁cie application configured, create a workflow by clicking the corresponding button. Click Add First Step to open the node panel. Find the 𝗁cie for WhatsApp node. To receive messages in n8n, you need to configure a trigger. A trigger is an event that launches your scenario. For example, it could be a new message in WhatsApp, a new entry in Google Sheets, or something else. Add the on-incoming message trigger. This trigger fires when a message is received. In the Connection Credentials field, click Create New Credential. Enter the instance n8n token key from your 𝗁cie console. Save the connection credentials by clicking Save. Go to the module settings, click Execute step, and send a test webhook of the incoming message received type to your webhooker's test URL to obtain sample data that will be used in the next module. Alternatively, send a test WhatsApp message to the number associated with the instance. The received data will be displayed in the output. After setting up incoming messages, you need to create an action that will respond to the user with the same text. Add the Send Message text message module. Use the data obtained in the Sender Data webhook module chatbot and unified message text to send the message. Drag them into the corresponding chatbot and message fields in the Send Message module settings. Enable persistent workflow. This completes the bot setup. Now, when you send a message to the number associated with the instance, you will receive a response message with the same content. In this video, you learned how to create a WhatsApp Echo bot using the 𝗁cie in n8n. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to contact our support team.